Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. We need to talk about what big YouTubers are not telling us about these new YouTube features. I'm going to share my experience, insight, research that I've done, and if you stay with me all the way through till the end, I'm going to share some things, some extra bonus points, pro tips off the script you do not want to miss what's coming up. Let's do it. So YouTube, always rolling out new features. They've got some new features just rolled out. Big YouTubers are not telling us everything we need to know. There's a few things that stood out in my research. Let me know what stands out most for you. So the first thing big YouTubers don't tell us is about our analytics. Most analytics, it requires a certain amount of data, a certain amount of information. Most bigger YouTubers won't tell us. In order to get the most from our analytics, we need to have more data on our channel. Just look at it as if a AI system, just like the artificial intelligence, they're reading your system. They're reading to find out. They're checking, they're saying, we don't have enough data. We're going to get more into that in a minute. But that's the first thing big YouTubers are not telling us. They're showing us these new features. A lot of that information is not available until the YouTube system knows what we're all about, until they get data, information, tracking analytics, your audience, your target audience, your topic, your titles. A lot of us haven't done it long enough to get that information. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you something behind the scenes. I'm going to go to my channel, check out behind the scenes on your channel, click the analytics tab. Once you click the analytics tab, go to where it says audience. Now, most big YouTubers, they'll show you extra features that open up. But if you notice on my channel, even in yours, it says not enough data, okay? So that lets me know, even though I've been strong at this YouTube game, I did a relaunch on my channel, came back over 12 months, almost 2 years now, the system still doesn't have enough information. So think about that in your channel. A lot of these analytics and the YouTube features that they're rolling out, it requires data, and we don't have that as of yet. So that's one thing that I've learned in my channel. It says not enough data. You may be wondering, is it too late? Is YouTube still a good thing to get into? Well, matter of fact, I did some research. I went to Google. It says YouTube will be a global multimedia company that helps connect people through the power of video. It will become an essential part of daily life for billions of users in every country worldwide. YouTube will continue to be the place where people go to entertain themselves, to learn things, to get knowledge, to connect with the YouTuber, content creator like you. YouTube is going to be around for a while. So no, it's never too late to get involved. One of the things that has helped me in my journey on my YouTube channel is to just remember that there's no reason to get discouraged. Some of those YouTube features are not going to open up until we reach a certain amount of data, until the YouTube system can categorize your target audience. YouTubers, big YouTubers are not telling us. They're not telling us about these YouTube features. The first thing they're not telling us, in order to gain the most from our analytics, we have to be in this game for a while, and we have to be established so that the YouTube system can recognize and learn from our system who to give our content to. Most analytics require sufficient data, and if you're just like me, starting out, maybe growing, relaunching your channel, sometimes it takes more information. That's why I decided I'm in this thing too deep now. I'm in too deep. As a matter of fact, one of the things that helped me in my journey to stay motivated, coming up with different titles to give the YouTube system sufficient data, is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy will help you with your titles, tags, different thumbnails, A and B testing. They are a great resource for every YouTube content creator. So you can check them out with the link in the description, or just go to tubebuddy.com/StevonJBiz. The second thing the bigger YouTubers don't tell us, when you get ready to go live, now they got it where instead of a static image, you can have a trailer for your live streams. However, YouTubers are not telling us it takes over 1,000 subscribers to get that trailer added. And I was checking it out. As a matter of fact, there's a guy that I love to watch, Nick Nimmin. Now, he is one of the ones who will give you the full scoop. I'm gonna let you check him out. I like what he had to say about it. Check him out.
Part where we actually add the trailer to your live stream. You can click into the scheduled stream in your content area of your YouTube channel, or you can click on the create icon at the top of the screen and click go live. Once you do that, you're going to see your scheduled stream. You'll want to click into that. Then click edit at the top of the screen area. In the box that pops up, you want to click customization over on the left-hand side. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the box and click the add button under trailer. Next, click on the video that you uploaded.
Now this is what I'm talking about. Some of us don't have that ad feature. Go ahead, Nick, break it on in though. Keep going.
If you don't see it in the list that pops up, you can search for that title and it will show up. From there, click save. Your stream now has a trailer. To learn even more about live streaming,
don't worry about that, Nick. I got you covered. I'm gonna put his link in the description. So think about that. You can actually have a live stream and you can have a trailer to go to your live stream. However, you have to have over 1,000 subscribers in order to enable that. Most big YouTubers are not telling us that. They don't really go into depth with that. And that's why I said I had to put this video together, because I know that somebody out there just like me who are wondering about these new YouTube features. For example, I'm gonna take you behind the scenes on my YouTube channel. As a matter of fact, go to your channel, pull up the customization. As you see, behind the scenes live stream, if I scroll down all the way to the bottom, as you can see, they don't give me that option. I don't have that option yet to add the trailer. You have to have over 1,000 subscribers to do that. So most big YouTubers are not telling us that. They're not breaking that down to us. So I just want to let you know, when you think about doing a live stream, let me know in the comment section, do you live stream? So that's one thing that I decided to let you know. YouTubers don't tell you that. It takes 1,000 subscribers to get to the point where you can add a trailer to your live stream. So now that you know, you and me, we're on our way to that 1K. Now, before we go to this next one, I want to take some time to say thank you to all of my subscribers, all of my viewers, all of you coming back, reviewing the channel, leaving comments, Cash App donations. All the interactions means a lot. Thank you. I really appreciate you. If this is your first time, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, subscribe. Hit the bell and be the first to get my next video. We'd love to have you in the family. Number 3, big YouTubers will not tell you that you can get a community tab even with 1 subscriber. Think about that. You can get a community tab even if you're not at that 500 subscriber mark. You don't have to have 1 million views. You don't have to reach 500 subscribers in order to get that community tab, but there is one thing you have to have. That is an AOC. Not an AOC, my bad. Not the politician, not that AOC. You have to have an OAC, an official artist channel. Nobody's ever talking about it. I never really knew that. You can have a community tab even if you have 1 subscriber. Now, I found this channel right here. Big shout out to 28 Homeboy. I was searching around. I'm getting an official artist channel for my channel. Being an official artist, I wanted to see how can I get an official artist channel, which gives me that community tab. So I did some research. I found this channel, 28 Homeboy. Now, he has 24 subscribers, but even with 1 subscriber, I've seen channels. You can get that community tab right there. Look at that. Now, I have to give some credit to 28 Homeboy. He's doing his thing with this community tab. He's staying in touch with his community, even at that small level. So think about that. Most big YouTubers will not tell you. You can get a community tab. Reach out with those community features, even if you only have 1, 2, 3, even if you only have 24 subscribers. But you have to have what they call an official artist channel. I'm putting together a video for that right now, so be on the lookout for that. You can have a community tab with an official artist channel. You get that? Community tab opens up for you. So let me know in the comment section, do you have an official artist channel, or are you an artist looking to get an official artist channel? I'd like to know about that. Now, I did tell you I want to share something with you. Before I do that, I've got to tell you about my brand new single coming out real soon, God's Time. Just a little bit of it playing right there. I want to give you a free download of my next single, God's Time. Go to takeittothealtarmusic.com with the link in the description. Email, you can leave your email information. We're building an email list, so get your free copy of my single, God's Time, with the link in the description. If you've enjoyed this so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let other people know this video, OMG, this video. It'll let them know it's worth watching if you hit the like button. Thank you. So this first bonus point that I want to share with you deals mostly with the idea of that information, the YouTube system not having enough information. Big YouTubers won't tell you. Most of the time it takes a year, 2 years, 3 years. As a matter of fact, I was in a chat with Nick Nimmin. His live stream goes every Saturday. I'll put his link in the description. I was in a chat with one of his live streams, one of the content creators. They shared, they've been in it for over 10 years and they still have, certain times they still have it where it says not enough information. So be encouraged, stay with this thing. It's going to take at least 2, 3, maybe even 10 years before the system really recognizes us to have enough information. The second bonus point that I want to share with you, it is about the lifestyle. I'm learning to make this whole thing, enjoying the process. I think a lot of times we get to the point where we want to grow, we want to succeed, and we want to get 100 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, watch time, partner program, brand deals. And I think a lot of times we forget to enjoy the process. I remember when I relaunched my YouTube channel, I really didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, but I knew there's things that I had in mind. I wanted to succeed and be an influence. I wanted to share my gift with other people. That is the one thing that has helped me to stay in there, striving to increase everything that I can, because what we want to do, we want to go to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it. We want to go to the next level in our mindset, our strategy, business, YouTube, everything in our lives, next level mindset. This third bonus point that I want to share with you, it deals with the YouTube system itself, bigger YouTubers. That's another thing that most bigger content creators, big YouTubers won't tell you. Even as a small channel, you can crack through that algorithm, you can crack through that system and build up a reputation with the YouTube system. I want to share this video with you right here, how I solved the mystery of the algorithm. I think that video would be great for you to watch next. So check that video out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching and subscribing. You're part of the family now. And remember, there's nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.